friends, welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today I am Anshukar of class 5th. I am here to discuss chapter 22 India and the World. This is a chapter of subject EVS class 5th. This video is beneficial for Army Public students. In this video, we are going to discuss first new terms of this lesson, second, pick the correct answer of this lesson, third, name the following of this lesson, fourth, matching of this lesson, and at last we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, इस वीडियो से पहले हम लोगों ने EVS के 21 चैप्टर डिस्कस कर लिए हैं। आप उन्हें देखना ना भूलें because EVS chapter series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है और हमारे वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए जिससे वो हमारे वीडियोस का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। और फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए चैप्टर की शुरुआत करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस न्यू टर्म्स ऑफ दिस लेसन। दिस लेसन हैज 10 new terms. Let's see. First, globe. Its part of speech is noun, which means a model of the earth. Second, axis. It is a noun which means imaginary line which passes through the two extreme points on a sphere. Third, symbol. It is a noun which means mark or sign the particular meaning. Fourth, prime meridian. It is a noun which means 0-degree meridian, or you can say equator. Fifth, thematic. It is an adjective which means relating to a particular theme, or you can say organized according to a theme. Let's move on to sixth. Landform. Landform is a noun which means features on the earth's surface that make up the terrain. Seventh, symbols. It is a noun which means symbols help us to understand and read the minor details of a map. Let us move on to 8th. Latitudes are noun which means the imaginary lines around the middle of the world. The latitude passes from east to west. Let us move on. 9. Longitude. It is also a noun which means imaginary line along the earth's surface from the northern pole to the south pole. The longitudes are from north to south, whereas the latitudes are from west to east. Last word of new terms is altitude. It's a noun which means the height of an object or place above the sea. Let's move on. Pick the correct answer of this lesson. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लग रहा है हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। Pick the correct answer has 4 questions. Let's see. Question number 1. The earth has dash continents. There are dash continents in the earth. Answer of this question is 7. There are 7 continents in the earth. Their names are Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Australia, and Antarctica. Question number 2. Which color represents the water bodies on a map? Answer of this question is blue. The blue color represents the water bodies on a map. Question number 3. The top of a map shows the dash direction. Answer of this question is north. Last question of pick the correct answer is map can be broadly divided into dash types. Answer of this question is 3. Map are divided into 3 types. Let us move on. Name the following. Question number 4. 1. Name the 4 directions. There are 4 major directions. Their names are east, west, north, and south. Let's move on. Question number 2. The continent which is an island. Do you know what is an island? An area of land which is surrounded by water from all the sides. And what is peninsula? An area of land which is surrounded by water from 3 sides. So this is the major difference between island and peninsula, that island is covered by water from all the sides, whereas peninsula is covered from water from only 3 sides. So answer of this question is Australia, because Australia is covered from water from all its sides and it is also a continent. Question number 3. The largest ocean. Pacific Ocean. The largest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Question number 4. 0 degree latitude, which is also known as the equator. The largest continent is Asia. Which is the smallest continent? Write your answer in the comment box. Let us move on matching. First, equator. Its answer is 0 degree meridian. Second, longitude. Run from North Pole to South Pole. Third, globe. An exact model of the Earth known as globe. Fourth, Greenwich. Halfway between North Pole and South Pole is known as Greenwich. Question number 5. Latitudes. Run from west to east in a circle. Let us move on. Question and answer. Question number 1. Name the major lines in the northern hemisphere. There is only one major line. So what is its answer? Answer of this question is equator. The major lines in the northern hemisphere is equator. Let us move on. Question number 2. What are the languages of a map? Do you know the map has its own languages? Let us see what are the languages of a map. Answer of this question is direction, colors, signs, symbols, and scales are used to provide information on a map. They are known as the language of a map. What are the language of a map? Direction, colors, signs, symbols, and scales are the language of a map. Question number 3. What are latitudes and longitudes? At the starting, in new terms, we have discussed what is the meaning of latitudes and longitudes? So let us see the answer. Answer of this question is, the meaning of latitudes is latitudes are imaginary lines running from west to east, whereas longitudes are the imaginary semicircles running from north pole to the south pole. Question number 4. Name the continents of the earth. Here are the continents. First, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, Europe. Fourth, Australia. Fifth, North America. Sixth, South America. And seventh, Antarctica. Last question of question and answer is, what is a globe? Answer of this question is, a globe is a small model of the earth. It gives us a clear picture of what exactly the earth looks like. Watching this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. Friends, EVS chapter series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारी वीडियोस मिस ना करें और हमारे सारे वीडियोस जरूर देखें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर कीजिए, जिससे वो भी EVS ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए, जिससे हमारे आने वाले